Okay, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and we are having this new program that welcome Ah Cool come back again because he's so busy on other businesses, and he's ready to back and share with us how can he trade like a pro in manual trading. So today we actually have this special program. We are running for 1 year. What we call is AI versus manual trading. So who is AI trader? I am, of course, because Aku is the manual trading guru, right, Aku?
Hey, yes. Hey, hello. I'm Austin, also known as Ah Cool from Educointion. I'm the manual trader here. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah, so what is our purpose, right? Is we will run 1 year program, then with 6k funds on AI. So Aku will adjust his funds. He also have 6k on his wallet, and we're going to run this thing to see whether will he win. With his time that he spent, he will record down. Like maybe he do his research, he take his own sweet time to do. When he trade during his going like travel, he's flying to China next week and this week. Then he will do his trading. So every day we will update inside our group and our social media. So we will update you guys the new social media platform, which is on Facebook. So we'll see what we do, what are the things that is having. So for me, of course, I think AI is better because I don't have to spend time to trade on it. So I just want to know, Austin, since I'm using AI, and as everybody know that we already use AI to trade for almost 1 to 2 years already, and we have significant good results. We don't have to spend time to monitor. The most we spend 1 minute a day to see how much we're making. Is everything okay? And that's it. We don't even need to go through. The most happy moment is the market up and down, and that is the most moment that we make the most profit. We don't need like some manual trader like get stressed that the market suddenly pump and dump, right? Sleep until halfway. Oh my god, will I get liquidity? So those are the stress that have. But I think that I really salute that manual trader, especially when I look at Aku. Every time I want to see like a trading pattern or like whether the market, I will just ask him, bro, what's the market situation? So he can always analyze very detailed. So Aku, you want to share with us as a trader, what you enjoy about, then what is your strategy and what you do every single day to decide what to trade? Maybe do a quick sharing with us so that in future when any member wanted to learn how to do manual trading, they will know that this is the basic needs that need to have to learn from you.
I do it like a career. So when I trade, right, I'm not doing like a gamble, or just doing for fun. So I'm doing it because it's something that I think this skill can bring on to my children and can carry on to my grandchildren. So it's this kind of skill, it takes years to master. So but once you master it, right, you will be very versatile in the market. So you can actually, whatever direction the market is going, right, you can sort of forecast it before it even started. So this is something that I can pass down to my son. Even if he don't study well, right, even if he don't have any good job, at least he got this skill that he can multiply his capital. So this is something that I look for and why I'm so passionate about manual trading.
Yeah, I think that doing manual trade, like we call technical analysis, is a very good skill. For me, I really don't have that. I would say that talent. You ask me to look at social media chart or maybe like fundamental stuff. I think that I'm pretty good in fundamental. But when it comes to this kind of skill like chart, indicators and like market, I think that is really crazy. Like, Aku, you want to walk us through like what is the things that you see and watch before you decide on the trade, so that people can prepare. Oh, okay, wow, there's so many things to see.
Yeah, sure. Okay, maybe let me share my screen and explain like before when I go into the trade, what is the criteria that I look for, or how do I look up?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go.
Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
So before I go into the trade, right, I need to understand what is the market direction, what is the trend for today. So of course we look at a long term and short term. So I'll start at daily chart. So from this I identify what is the pattern today, and what is the in a shorter time frame like 4 hour and 1 hour, what is happening within the next few hours. So from there, like first thing I will look at order flow. So order flow is actually like when you tag an order limit, right, it will be shown in this heat map. like when someone want to sell at certain level like 65,000, okay, it will be shown here. Someone going to buy, that means they set a limit buy, so I will be able to see here. So from here I can actually have an idea which are the area that most buyer or seller are interested in. Then I will actually go into look at this open interest and volume also. So those are the data that can tell me which are the area that someone have been tracked, and which are the area that buyer are genuinely buying, and which are the area that are getting liquidated. So from there I can use this to forecast the next movement. Yeah, so this is typically what I go through on a day-to-day basis, maybe spend about 1 to 1.5 hours doing the analysis before I go into.
Okay, then what is your strategy? Like, do you have any new like some strategy to outperform the AI? Do you like testing anything else recently on your trades?
Oh yes. Okay, so when I started off, right, what I learned are technical analysis, okay, charting, like those kind of this kind of pattern, broadening pattern, wages pattern, all this. But when over years of trading, right, then I come to realize that what really moves the market is following what market makers and what those wheels are doing. So in order to get this kind of knowledge, right, I no longer use technical analysis. So I actually use more on like order book analysis, which is using something like bookmap. Then I also use like smart money concept, and I also using open interest as a main strategy. So from this, I can know when or which area most likely will get liquidated. Then from there, we can have a more accurate forecast compared to traditional method of technical analysis. So this is something that I'm focusing on. Then recently, I also did a bit testing on this strategy. This is a small account that I use for testing. What is good about this strategy is my ratio of risk to reward ratio, right? I will set a minimum of 1 to 3 to 1.5 or to 1.8. So when I risk $10, I want to make at least $30 to $80 for every trade. So this is something that I think even if my win rate is just 50%, I will still be in a very good profit.
Show us the percentage.
Percentage. Okay, so like for example for this trade,
okay,
I'm actually risking. I just risking of $5. So with if $5, if I lose this trade, I lose $5. If I win this trade, I win $27.
Oh, yeah, that's a good profit.
Yeah. So this strategy can give me higher accuracy because it's able to identify the liquidation area and identify the areas that have strong support. So this is why one of the reasons I love to learn about manual trading.
Nice, got it. So we all know that what we do on trading, it's definitely amazing, especially when we use AI. I think that it really need to spend years and years. Like Ah Cool, you spent how many years to learn trading?
I traded since 2017, but I spent the past 4 years in a lot. I spent a lot more time during the past 4 years to study, and to learn about the strategies.
Yeah, I think it's really need a lot of time. So it's my turn. That means if you have already followed us, you already should see that our results that we've been doing quite a fair bit of time. So we actually grow our account from 10,000 since last year 2023 June 15 until today. We actually make $66,000 with AI trading. But of course, this setting it's slightly different and special than the usual things that we have been sharing in the community. But if we on general term and see, right, in fact all are doing pretty well. So you can see that every day have profit. So this account is look at it, our account size is 52,000. So we already cashed out 20,000. We started from $10,000. So it's pretty good. We also have different types of account. We have small account from 3,000, 6,000, 10,000, 20,000, or even though for $1,500, all have. So what you need to do is like you can join in and can ask for it, then we can also show you. So our strategy now is to use our AI trading strategy to see that how are we able to outperform than Austin, and do not need to do anything where every day is running all the the trades, all this stuff. So this is what we are going to do for the challenge, and I'm really looking forward whether it's like, you know, manual will be better or whether it's AI is better. Cool, are you confident to win us?
Yeah, I'm sure manual trading will be better.
So we whole year we'll be doing this type of like, you know, like versus, but it's like more on friendly competition. We need to gauge and see. In my opinion, that if you love to have like achievement, learn about markets and all these things, and you enjoy to look at chart, all these things, then you should stand on Ah Cool side. But if you are people like lazy like me, just want to lie down and do nothing, or maybe we do other stuff without seeing the chart and all these things, then yes, you should use AI. Okay, not everybody will have the, you know, consistency. I believe that in doing manual trading, right, it requires a lot of like motivations, mindsets, and control, greed, fear, blah 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 blah, tons of it. So I think that these are very high profiling people do it. I'm not that. I want to do other stuff. Although like you can trade and make money like what Ah Cool, he can go and enjoy 1 whole month holiday, because you know that everybody have different perspective. I just think that we want to bring this thing for our viewers, for our followers to see that, okay, what are the things that we can take into consideration and decide whether is these the things that we want and how we able to make money. This is the main focus for our community, that we're going to grow together. So we're going to hunt together and earn together. So that's all. Anything that I want to add on for Ah Cool?
I think that's all good for now, and I think we will enjoy this challenge and show everyone whether we should we do manual or auto.
So Ah Cool will record down one day, just an aggravation. And for me, you all don't have to worry, because using AI, we're not going to spend more than 1 minute a day, okay? Unless it's like super huge. And we try to make this content video of meeting, we try to make it like once a month. If we have more time, we probably do twice a week to like give a recap, what's the market situation. Just like last time we used to do some market updates. So if you have time, then you can join us. So if you want to join Ah Cool site, so click the link below and join Ah Cool team. If not, can join our team. If not, you can just join both of us. You're not yet using Bybit, if you join Ah Cool, use Bybit link from Ah Cool. If you are on the, you know, our side of AI, then use our side. But it's okay, we are still one big family. There's no versus. We just want to see that how many followers, how many supporters that are following this movement. Is it manual or AI? So I'll see you guys at the next video, and join us daily updates. Bye.